Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can check your active subscription on your PayPal account and how you can cancel your all active subscription or pending subscription. Each and every information you can get in this video. So let's get started. The first thing, you need to log in into your account, and once you log in you will see this kind of window on your screen, and you need to tap on business tools. Okay, over on your top side you can see business tool options. You need to tap on business tool options, and once you tap on business tools option you will see recurring payment dashboard. Okay, you need to tap on this option. It will take some time, like you can see over here, like get started. Once you click on get started, and you will see like this option. Maybe you will not see this get started button. You will directly visit on this page, and you will see all the active subscription on this window. And you can also see automatic invoice payments, installment payment, plan payments, each and everything you can see over here. And which you want to cancel your subscription, you can also cancel your subscription very easily, and you can check your all active subscription on this screen. Okay, and you can also filter your you can say invoices, and each and everything is over here. You can also like check your subscription which is suspended, active, pending, cancellation, outstanding payments. You can see each and every information over here. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.